I never wanted to be center stage. That's how the character bonuses in my inner rage. As I mix things up, me and my chemist ways. Caught in my prime where I'm stuck, while my demo plays. Alleviated off returning, my revenge is certain. Potent power, green, purple, my expensive smoking.
Alright guys, here's what I've been working on since I got rid of the Genesis. 2004 GTO LS3 engine, LSA Supercharger, CTSV lid, powder coated wrinkled black. What's kind of unique about this setup, because this has been done a few times in GTOs, is it has its own blower drive system from LSX Concepts. Usually they have it on all one belt, which I personally don't like. I believe that you know, has the potential to have a lot of belt slip issues when I, you know, change out of the stock pulleys. So, Ron Davis radiator, got the stock fans to fit. It's a tight fit, but it fit. So it does have LSA accessories, but I am not using power steering or AC. And I had to return my GTO alternator. I bought a new one, but I need the CTSV alternator. Got an oil cooler here, Mishimoto. Got it for 200 bucks. It was originally for a 5th gen Camaro SS, but I made it work. Some other goodies I did, Brembos, heat extractors. Got the gauges, original gauges. Got the wideband to match. I'm sorry, not wideband, boost gauge and wideband rigged up. Yeah, here she is. Stock pulleys, LS9 cam, long tubes, all five of some kind of intake. Should be around 550 to the wheel horsepower. I'm gonna have to upgrade the rear end, axles, diff cover, and then I'll, you know, it's too easy to swap these out. And I want to end up with around 650 to the wheel. Probably stop there. We'll see if I get bored of the power. But yeah, here she is, 2004 GTO LS3 LSA blower.